US and Qatar swiping business deals. Two military planes crash in Qatar. US ISIS military coalition in Gulf and Strait of Hormuz. Turkey and Sudan agrees to boost bilateral trade. Iran, UK seizure of oil tanker won't go unanswered. Iran bans Bitcoin trading, banking official. Yemen rebel court sentences 31 to death for spying. Nigeria, 40 Shia members arrested in clash with police. US Muslim scholar joins Trump human rights panel. Rohingya children at risk of flooding and landsliding. US peace envoy for Afghanistan leaves for China. Pakistan, TV host shot dead.